Hey guys, happy motivation. Get your motivation. Motivation. Happy day, you guys. Welcome to my kitchen. I got a little area. Today I'm gonna just show y'all my smoothie that I like to make. I like to make different ones. I showed one on my channel before, so check that one out too. That's a great smoothie option. This one is a good sweet, like very fulfilling smoothie. So these are things and something that your kid would probably love to drink. The one on the other smoothie that I made is probably a good for the kids as well. I do like sweet, but we can use sweet. Like instead of the processed sugar, we can actually use sugar from the earth, like the fructose, so the good sugar. So that's what this one is. So I got some um, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I have some cacao powder, which is a good boost. This is probably like my midday. It's around 2 o'clock midday drink that I like to have just to give you a boost to get over until that 5 o'clock. So cacao give you a little energy. I always want to keep myself regular, so I love putting some chia seeds in there. I might put this in here, the maca powder. It's a very like a nutty grain protein. And then so I have some dark cherries and blueberries. And I like pea powder. So this is plant-based pea powder. So a lot of stuff in one, which would keep me full for a while. All right, so how much I put in? Oh, and also, I was just looking at my cabinet and I was like, oh, it's a little bit of peanut butter in here. So I might just use the rest of that and just throw it in my smoothie. How much I measure, I really don't. I usually just kind of pour, like, I usually do about a mason jar of a smoothie. So I'll put about 16 ounces of milk in there. On there. I think that's what it is. That's about 16. And then I don't like to put, because I'm putting so much other stuff in there, I don't like put a whole bunch of frozen fruit, but I'm probably just going to use the rest of this bag because there's only a little bit in there. And then some blueberries. Like that. I probably don't use all the blueberries. I'll say that for the next one. So I don't, not that much. And then just a tablespoon of the cacao powder. You can find this at, if you in Madison, you can go, I think I got this at Pick and Save. Yeah, Pick and Save. Pick and Save has all these little, nice little smoothie things that you can put in. Chia seeds, put like a tablespoon. Cacao powder. And the rest of my peanut butter. I'm just scraping this. I like to put some peanut butter in it because sometimes it be tasting like a peanut butter jelly sandwich. Like when I put the cherries in there. It's super good. And then it gives a little bit of that like thickness. So I'll put that in there. Yeah. All right. And then pea powder. I'll say if you're going with any protein, I like pea powder. I don't really mess with the whey because it messes up my stomach. So I like this. And this is only going to take me, about 5 minutes. I'm going to put a little extra. Less than 5 minutes. All right. So I'm going to blend that up and show you my finished project. All right. So there you have it. The finished product. It's good. Super sweet. I usually would want it a little bit more thicker. I put too much milk in it. So usually I would make maybe like half of that. Well, it'll be a little bit thicker. I put a lot of milk in there. But this is a good like boost snack. It only takes, well actually it's a meal replacement. So it only takes about 5 minutes. Something good that you can make for you and your little one. Say you know, you have a, like me, I have a daughter. She can probably drink another half of this. So cheers to the good life. Cheers to eating clean. Cheers to nourishing our soul and our bodies. My name is Venus Washington. Hopefully this video was beneficial. You guys have a great day. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. You guys have a great day. Peace.